Welcome viewers, or welcome back to anyone that subscribed. We are returning to the infamous, I don't know what you'd call it, the back, the reversing, the shit door, the place with all the fucking shit in the yard. We're here. Oh, there's another fucking truck there. It doesn't matter. I can park next to him. That car is ridiculously close to the fucking driveway. That car's way too close to the driveway. Alright, we're going to see. We're going to try and get unloaded out here today because there's just too much bloody shit going on. We'll check back. So, have a guess of what they want me to do. Not unloading it in the yard. There's no room. I said, well, you've got to move that. So, old mate's moving that for me. I said, look, you're taking an extra 2 meters of my room that I need. As long as he doesn't put it like over here. It needs to be somewhere completely out of the fucking way. Okay, good. Now, we may go a bit better this time because we're a bit lighter on the back today, so the trailer may scoot a bit better. But I mean, sometimes you just have one of them days. Sometimes you have those days where it doesn't matter how good you set yourself up, it's shit. I can already tell it's turning better with no weight on the back of the trailer there. I can't see a fucking thing of what's in front of me. Am I clear of that ladder there?
Yeah,
Yep. see a fucking thing inside there. I'll wait until he tells me to stop. Well, that'll do me when he calls out "Who?" So that's how it should be done. Not much fucking room there, but could have come over a bit, but that'll do us for today. Nice and easy one. And here's something else to mention, I guess. First time I ever come here. This bollard here and these two, they weren't even there. These are all new. So I think I've only been here 4 times. And it was the second time I came here. They're replacing this part of the shed. You can see that's new. And all this upright here is new because it had been run into on numerous. I mean, look at the look at the gutter and downpipe. It's I think it's been whacked a few times too, but you can see where people have just run into things. It ain't probably doing its job. But yeah, so they there's definitely people that do run into things. I don't want that to be me. This is for anyone wondering. Don't mind the mirrors, they're that fucking dirty, they're filthy. Travelling in a bit of rain last night, so you can't really see out of them. But there are a few people that commented and said, was it any easier to get out? Yes, it's easier to get out. Also, I'm unloading here, so I've got I've got about 2 ton left on the trailer now. 3 drops today. Fuck. The hardest bit of the whole session, I guess, is going to be getting out of this driveway, because this stupid car here is parked ridiculously close to the driveway. So we're going to have to stay over this far way as far as we can, because I don't want to rip the bumper bar off of it. Please don't park so close to driveways if you don't have to. Might be right, because there was no car there, so we could go up a little bit further. We're still going to be pretty close to that car there. We got plenty of room. Give me a thumbs up if you think I did better this time. Second time lucky, eh? No word for today. Just a little short video. Bye now.